Clover, fly. Good girl. Go on, Clover, fly. Good girl. Chick, get on my shoulder. Thank you, what a good girl. Turn around. No, don't eat my earring, please. Come on. Chick. Thank you, what a good girl. Very nice. Good girl. There you go, what a girl. You got such a good girl. Don't eat my earrings. Don't eat my earrings. Eat my earrings. Okay. Ready? What a good girl. And get on your cage top. Thank you. There you go. Okay, let's turn on the scale. Okay, Clover, fly. That's a good girl. You want to get weighed? Here, get on the scale. That's a good girl. 422. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Get in your crate. Come on. Good girl. Yes. Very nice. Clover, come on. Come on in. Good girl. What a good girl. Get on your perch. What a good girl. Super nice. What a good girl. All right. Come on, Clover, fly. Fly in the bathroom. Good girl. Want a shower? Okay. Chick. Good girl. Okay. Go on in there. Good girl. All right, here's your shower. Good girl. All right. Go and get in your perch. Whoops. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good girl. What a good girl. That's very nice. There you go. Whoops, you dropped this. Okay, now close this. So be careful. Good girl. And put this part on. Good girl. Alright, I'm going to pick you up and turn you around. Okay, Clover. Come here. Clover, turn around. Good girl. Turn around, get your nut. Good girl, get your nut. Here you go. Yeah, a girl. When you get a nut, you get to come out. Good girl. I'm gonna open this up. Good girl. Super. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Are you gonna come out? There. Clover got to go in her little bag. Good girl. That's good. What a good girl. Okay, flip your wings. There we go. What a good girl. Nice job. Super. All done. Chick. Good girl. All right. Take this off now. All right, you can help me? Good girl. Yeah, it's a good helper. Thanks for helping. Yeah, it's really nice. Oh, here. Did you lose your balance? You okay now? There you go. Good girl. Whoops. Okay. helping Mommy take the harness off, aren't you? Just stay down. Put your foot back. There you go, good girl. Okay, I'm going to help you. Mommy's here to help you, okay? Good. Hang on. Good girl. Alright, so we're almost to the part where it comes off, but you have to be patient. Not patient. That wasn't patient. Come here. You're being a goofball. You're just being a big old goofball. Now you have to just be patient. Good girl. Here, now put your head through there. Put your head through. There. See, this comes right off. What a girl. One switch. One switch. Oh, nice girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's a very bitey little girl. Look at that little bitey girl. She's very bitey. Oh my goodness. What a little bitey girl. Yeah, she's playing with Mommy's fingers. She's playing with Mommy's fingers. Nice job. Okay. Okay, Clover. Let's go. Good girl. Wanna go get some goodies? Oh, there's the camera. Okay, ready? There you go. Good girl.